Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden wall shelves. Wooden wall shelves are versatile, functional and aesthetically pleasing additions to any home decor. From minimalist designs to intricate and ornate styles, these shelves offer a plethora of options to elevate both the look and functionality of any space. One of the most appealing aspects of wooden wall shelves is their adaptability to various interior styles. For a modern clean look, sleek and simple floating shelves made of smooth, unadorned wood provide a minimalist touch while offering practical storage. These shelves seamlessly blend into contemporary spaces, creating a sense of openness and sophistication. Conversely, ornate wooden wall shelves with intricate carvings or embellishments add a touch of old-world charm to traditional or vintage-inspired interiors. These shelves become focal points themselves, showcasing craftsmanship and becoming statement pieces in their own right. Their detailed designs draw the eye, adding character and elegance to the room. The beauty of wooden wall shelves lies not only in their aesthetic appeal, but also in their functionality. In kitchens, they provide a stylish way to store cookbooks, spices, or display decorative kitchenware. In living rooms, they offer a platform for showcasing art pieces, photographs, or collectibles, adding personality to the space. Moreover, in bathrooms, wooden shelves can hold toiletries or folded towels, blending functionality with warmth and style. Customization is another advantage of wooden wall shelves. Whether crafted from reclaimed wood for a rustic vibe or stained to match existing furniture, these shelves can be tailored to suit individual tastes and preferences. Adjustable shelving units provide flexibility, allowing for different configurations to accommodate various items or changing needs. In smaller spaces, wooden wall shelves prove to be invaluable. They maximize vertical space, serving as storage solutions without occupying precious floor area. Narrow shelves in entryways or hallways can hold keys, wallets, or decorative access, serving a dual purpose of organization and decor in compact areas. Multi-tiered wooden wall shelves offer both visual interest and increased storage capacity. By incorporating different shelf sizes and heights, they create a dynamic display, making them perfect for showcasing a mix of items such as plants, books, and decorative objects. This layered approach adds depth and dimension to the wall, enhancing the overall appeal of the room. For those who prefer DIY approach, wooden wall shelves provide an excellent canvas for creative projects. From repurposing old wooden crates or pallets to crafting custom-shaped shelves, the possibilities are endless. DIY enthusiasts can stain, paint, or distress the wood to achieve desired finishes, allowing for a personalized touch that reflects individual style. Combining wood with other materials like metal or glass can result in striking designs. Incorporating metal brackets or accents adds an industrial edge, while combining wood and glass creates a contemporary and elegant look. Beyond their decorative and functional aspects, wooden wall shelves contribute to a sense of warmth and natural beauty within the space. Wood's inherent warmth and texture infuse rooms with a cozy and inviting atmosphere, creating a harmonious balance between functionality and aesthetics. Wooden wall shelves offer a blend of practicality and style, serving as versatile elements that enhance the visual appeal of any room. Whether seeking additional storage, a platform for decor, or a way to personalize a space, these shelves provide endless design possibilities, making them an enduring and timeless choice for home interiors. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.